I don't think people understand how transformative chiropractic care can be for pain relief. Let's change that. At A H Physiotherapy and Chiropractic Clinic in Chandigarh, we specialize in personalized treatments to alleviate low back pain, sciatica, cervical spondylitis, and postural imbalances. Our expert team combines the latest techniques in physiotherapy and chiropractic care to address the root cause of your discomfort. From dry needling to cupping therapy, we offer advanced solutions tailored just for you. Imagine being able to move freely again, enjoying everyday activities without the constant pain. That's what our holistic approach aims to deliver: long-term relief and improved quality of life. But don't just take our word for it. Our patients' testimonials speak volumes about their successful recoveries and renewed sense of well-being. So why wait? Reclaim your movement and live pain-free. Visit A H Physiotherapy and Chiropractic Clinic today, your trusted partners in recovery.